watching My 9 News at 10.
Tonight, a 6-month Unit 9 investigation that impacts the safety of thousands of New York City residents working in commercial buildings or living in apartment buildings taller than 7 stories.
Tiwa Chang joins us with this exclusive report detailing allegations that New York City ignored defective fire alarms so critical to safety. Tiwa.
Well, Harry and Brenda, our investigation reveals that hundreds of commercial buildings and large apartment buildings in New York City have been allowed to operate with defective and potentially dangerous fire alarm systems. This includes some hospitals, schools, and department stores. 2 inspectors allege it's from corruption. Because of our exclusive investigation, the City Council will hold public hearings on these allegations. And Comptroller William Thompson has turned over our information to, quote, criminal authorities.